How's it going? Oh, okay, fine. Come in. Yes, Mom. Yes, I'm at my friend's house. No, I won't hurt you, Bonnie. Yes, I won't get into hand-to-hand fights. Yes, Mom. I promise. Bye. You didn't say in your fights.
Oh, boys!
Huh?
Hasta la
Vista, baby. Stupid gun. That was the worst shot of all.
Hey, #1, Andrew.
Oh, boys!
Huh?
Hasta la
Vista.
Baby.
Oh, guys, you see Andrew's size.
Hasta la.
Guys, run out loud, quit throwing bullets.
Wrong time, you idiot!
This goes bad. Austin, this goes bad.
Whoa.
Quit shooting.
Wow, you little.
Ow! Okay, that's it.
Wow!
So, you want to give all your possessions to me now?
Let me think about it. No.
Oh,
Oh, you want to play that?
let's fight. So, you want to give all your possessions to me?
Andrew! Their phone! Look at this! Oh. Am I too early?
Oh, so you want to fight now, huh?
Yeah, let's fight.
Alright. Well,
Yes! I won! Oh, yeah. Hey, how's it going?
Oh, man.